Hello there! I am Chris, a licensed professional English trainer and teacher with over 7 years of experience teaching online and offline, teaching students of all ages and all levels. My teaching style is student-centered, practical, and very supportive. I believe that the students learn best when they actively use English. So, my lesson focus on the real communication, not just by grammar rules. So, for the first class, you will be speaking English, thinking and expressing yourself in English. I use communicative and task-based activities such as role plays, guided conversation, and real-life scenarios. If you are preparing for your exam, your job interview, a presentation, or a workplace communication, or simply ABC, I'll be helping you organize your ideas, improve your pronunciation, and speak with confidence and clarity. I also adjust my pace and my materials based on your levels, your own goals, and your own learning style, so every lesson feels comfortable and challenging. If you want a personalized lessons, clear guidance, and a real progress, book a trial lesson with me here on Preply. I look forward helping you succeed in your English goal. Remember, I am here to help and to guide you. Thank you very much.